I think instant coffee is underrated and not a lot of people know how to make it correctly, so let's get into it. Instant coffee is going to taste bitter if you burn it, so instead we're going to add some cold water, dissolve the instant coffee, and then add hot water to it. To make sure that your coffee doesn't taste weak, use 1 teaspoon of instant coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Now that you know how to make instant coffee properly, here are 2 recipes that you can try if you don't have a huge coffee bar. The first drink is a brown sugar shaken espresso. We'll add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of water to a shaker. I like to give it a quick mix to make sure it's all dissolved, then we'll add some ice, some cinnamon, and then shake it aggressively to get a nice layer of foam like this. Normally you need to go buy an espresso machine or go to Starbucks and sell your left leg to get one of these drinks, but this gives you the exact same texture and all you gotta do is top it off with some milk. The next drink is a blended coffee or a coffee milkshake. Take all the ingredients that you see on the screen and put it into a blender and blend it together. If you wanted to add a flavoring, something like salted caramel, I recommend adding 1 tablespoon of that syrup to this